Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to get GB WhatsApp or how to install GB WhatsApp on your phone. For that, first of all, go to any browser and then search for GB WhatsApp downloader. Then click on the first link. Then simply click on the download GB WhatsApp. It is the latest version which is available. Now go to the download page and then there you will see GB WhatsApp download. Click on that and click on download. It will take some time to get download. Once it is download, you will get GB WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.